Hiya, thanks for downloading YouTube channel app. What you want to do to get this up and running for your own channel is extract the files here. You will see this directory structure. So that's all the files that you're going to need. There's an instruction manual if you get stuck, but this video will give you a step-by-step guide. Okay, so first of all we want to go into the JS folder. And if we go down to the bottom, you will see tv.js. You need to right click and open that. So up here at the very top, you will see a number of variables. This is pretty much the only thing that you need to change in order to get your app up and running. There is a few other things we'll cover later on. First of all, you need to get your YouTube channel ID. So you go down to settings, and then under your name you click advanced, and then halfway down the page you've got YouTube channel ID. So you want to copy that and paste it back into tv.js, replacing what's already there. Next is your API key. This is a key from Google that allows you to connect directly to the Google services, in this case YouTube. So you go into your console, go down as far as credentials. Now you won't have one already set up, so you click on create credentials and you want to click on a web one, and then it will give you your key. So go ahead and paste that under API key. The next ones are just how to brand your app. The home URL is where you're going to store the file external.html. The URL is your telephone number. Your email is email. Your Facebook is Facebook, YouTube, and website. And that's it. That would be all the variables that you need to change. Now to start branding it for yourself, you need to change the profile picture. As you can see, it's in the INC. Keep the dimensions the same as it is and save it as a PNG. Next, open config.xml, and at the top of it, it gives you some information about who the app is from. So change anything that you see there. Next, go into your index.html, and again, any mention of outtake, you can replace that with your own details. So now the next thing is getting your push notifications working. So you go to Firebase and you create a project. You name your project whatever you want, select your country, and click on create project. Now, so once the project is set up, you then want to add Firebase to your iOS app if you're planning on releasing this app on Apple. Once that's done, click on download Google services. Now, next you want to add another app, and this time it will be your Android app. Download Google services. Next, if you go to project settings, you need to take note of your web API key and your app ID key. When we open our plugin.xml, and a little way down this screen you will see it asking for Google App API and Google API key. Now the next bit is a little bit tricky. What we need to do is we need to go to a app repository that I have set up. So you need to either sign in or sign up depending on whether or not you have an account. Once you've done that, you click on fork and it copies this plugin directly to your account. Once there, you need to upload plugin.xml. You then need to go into the Android folder, src Android, and upload the Google services JSON that you downloaded previously. Do the same then in iOS, and once you've done that, copy the URL for your GitHub and replace this line of code. Go back into tv.js, and at the very bottom you will see Windows Firebase Plugin. You can set up different functions to handle the messages as they come in. There's two already set up. One is for video and the other one is for another project I was working on, lottery numbers. So go into your Firebase and send your first message. You can then select the app, so you can choose both for iOS and Android, and then down on where it says custom key, you want to send the key is message type and the value is whatever you want to put in the value. So if the value is video, you put in video. Zip up all of the files again. Now go to build.phonegap.com. Sign up or sign in. So you want to sign up for a free plan. Then when you've signed up, you upload your YouTube zip that you just created. Once that's done, you click on build. But once it's built, you will see there's colored bars underneath. At the moment, iOS is red, Android and the Windows one are green. The reason for the iOS one being red is that you need to provide a server key directly to your app from Apple. There is some brilliant tutorials out there on the internet as to how to do that. You will also need to give your Android a Play Store key.